Hey there, Nick with Osmo here. Staying one step ahead at any level of education is so challenging. You're constantly switching gears between topics, classes, you have projects, you have tests, you got to complete them, you got to study for them. It's exhausting just thinking about it. Here's how you can use and leverage Osmo to not only stay organized, but to work smarter, not harder, and really get the most out of your classes and lectures. So, first way to look at Osmo and to use Osmo is to use it to simply take notes during a lecture. Novel concept, you can actually use this time to actively listen and ask questions that will benefit you in your learning. So let's jump in. First thing you'll do when you hit Osmo is you'll hit New File on the left-hand side. Then you'll go ahead and hit Transcribe. You can use this for in-person lectures, online lectures, even YouTube lectures, believe it or not. For this example, we're going to use Feynman's lecture, one of his most famous lectures of all time. I'm going to go ahead and hit play on YouTube and transcribe on Osmo. You'll see as this lecture starts up, you'll see the transcription start to show up behind me.
Well, that's really true. Then we compute the consequences of the guess to see what, if this is right, if this law that we guessed is right, we see what it would imply.
There it is. So we'll stop and we'll save. And we'll navigate to the full lecture here just to show you what this will look like after the entire lecture is completed. So once you have your lecture completed, you can summarize it in a variety of different ways and a variety of different points of view, which is really exciting and interesting. You'll see this here on the bottom. You can have questions and answers, key topics, unique insights, or even opposing viewpoints, which you see we have it pulled up here. Very quickly, you can click questions and answers, for example, hit summarize, and on the left-hand side, you'll see the output. Interesting stuff here. Other use cases, you can drop in case studies or assigned reading. You can summarize and conceptualize in a way that works for you. Another way, the third way you can use Osmo is voice notes. This is a really exciting capability because a lot of people just want to transcribe their thoughts. Maybe it's your ideas and framework for group projects or papers or anything along those lines. Very simply, you can hit a new file here, transcribe, and you can talk directly to Osmo. Cool, huh? Other student use cases we've seen, prep for tests, develop and refine concepts, for research papers, and all sorts of other things along those lines. And we're always looking for new ways to be able to leverage this really cool tool. Anyway, if you have some cool ideas, feel free to reach out to us. We always love talking to our users and our customers. We'd love to hear from you. Hey, stay in school.